This is 316 Furnace Street, apartment number 4. We're coming into the kitchen. The door is damaged. I would replace the door where it got busted into. Complete paint job of the walls in the kitchen. Move the curtains from the windows. Refrigerator needs cleaned inside and out. Trash removed off the stove. Stovetop needs cleaned. Oven needs cleaned. Cabinets need to be wiped down inside and out. Replace the board underneath the kitchen sink. Countertops need caulked around behind. Sink needs cleaned. Countertops need cleaned. And living room, remove the trash. Carpet has burn marks in it and stained. I've replaced the carpeting in here. Do a complete paint job. Move all the nails and screws out of the walls and prep the walls for paint. We got a broken mini blind. It needs to be replaced. Windows need cleaned. Replace the battery in the smoke alarm. Going into the bedroom. Replace the carpet in the bedroom. Do a complete paint job of the bedroom. Have the windows clean, blinds are good. Doors are all good. We're going into the bathroom. Have the floor cleaned. Move the trash out of here. Toilet needs a good cleaning. Sink needs cleaned. Trash removed out of the cabinet. Tub needs cleaned and new caulking put around it. The spigot is dripping. Will need to be replaced. Mixing valve needs to be replaced. We need a complete paint job in here. We need a new cow bar. This is 316 Furnace, apartment 4.